welcome back to Equestrian, and in today's vlog we're going to be doing a night routine. Okay, so first let's bring the ponies in. Alright, so we're going to get Affy in first, then Chica, and then... Right, let me grab Affy's head collar. Oh, who's running? There we go. Ooh, you're making funny noises, Chica. Good boy. Yeah, when you're stable there. Oh, they're really excited to come in. Come on, Chica. Okay guys, so we're going to go for a hack on Boo. We don't always do this, but we are going to today. Let's take a drug off and tack him up. There we go, he is all tacked up. Now let's get on. Right, we're going to lead him to the hacking spot actually. He's a little cat. He's my friend's cat, Annabelle's. That's her cat Razor. Anyway, we've got to the hiking spot. We just need to go across the road. Let's go to the road. Right, now we can get on. Let me move the if I get on. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Alright, now we're actually on our hack. Right, now let's stop so I can open the gates. Don't spook, but you're alright, goodbye. Oh, he's a good boy waiting to cross the road. Goodbye. Onto the field we go. I don't really know if I just said onto the field we go, but nah. Right, we're nearly where I want to go. Alright, so basically we're at my favourite top go-to hacking spot because there's a swing on this big field. So Boo's going to have a little bit of grass. I'm going to tie him up to a tree and I'm going to go and swing for a bit. Alright, I tied him up to the tree. See you guys once I've been on the swing. Alright guys, let's head back now. Actually, let's go ahead to the other field where we can have a good gallop. Oh my god, he's looking to see if he can go. Right, go on then, Boo, you can go. Good boy. Alright, we're on that field now. So let's go for a little walk to show him the field first. Boo, don't do that. Look at his little ear pointing out, look, because he's probably heard them. No, he actually hasn't. Right, come on then, put on. Panther. Sorry for the bit, I'm really bad at filming. That's right then. Good boy, and trot. And walk. Let's go back in. Right, we're back from the hack now. Now it's untacked. All done. Now let's get him in his stable. Alright, I've just fed the ponies, but I forgot to film. So yeah. Alright, now let's feed my dog. Here you go, Charles. leftover food. Let's put it in his toy. Right, it's filled up with his leftover foods now. Let's put it in his bed. And we put his other toys in his bed too. Alright, now come on then. Let's go. Let me lead you on your collar. Good boy. There you go then. And take that away. Alright, let's go poop it. And this is our last job. See you when I've done it. I have picked it all up. Now let's empty the bucket. The trailer just got emptied yesterday. Bye guys.